going?
Just peace.
So you're a veteran, my friend?
Yes, I am.
Right on. How long have you been in support of ending the mandates?
Since it started.
Since it started?
Since it all started.
What things do you dislike about it?
I didn't defend this freedom of this country. Be told and treat all these Canadian people that your rights are going to be taken away from you. You're not going to do this. You're not doing that. I didn't serve or sign up for a tyrant.
Yeah.
Not cool. And now we're pissed. Yeah, you messed with us, the veterans. When we all come back and everything else, you messed with us, okay. But now you mess with the Canadian people. Not okay.
You guys signed up to protect the
That's
Canadian
it.
people, right?
And we'll always do it.
This one's kind of tough. I could cut this off. You can't answer
Yeah,
it.
no worries.
But in your opinion, do you think even current members of the armed forces, do you think that they'd be against these things?
Well, really, like...
It's obviously your opinion, but
Yeah, okay.
in your opinion?
So, in my opinion, there's tons of them that are totally against it. Like, I have a friend, and he was ordered to take the vaccine. He has Bell's palsy, myocarditis now, he's released from the army. Ruined his career. Done. For what?
That's horrible, man. What would you have to say to the people who disagree with this protest?
Hey, man, they have their voice too. And we're not about the hate. Everyone can say, oh, I don't agree with them, and we don't agree with them. It's a catch-22 there, but everyone can have a voice. That's the point, is you get your own opinion. It's your choice. That's the whole entire thing.
That's what this is all about.
That's what it's all about. And if they don't like it, then fine. You want to wear a mask? Wear a mask. Don't want to wear a mask? Don't wear a mask.
You want to get jabbed?
Yeah, you want to get jabbed? Get jabbed. That's cool, man. Don't tell me to get jabbed, because I don't want to.
Yeah. Sure. Well, I appreciate your time, man. I appreciate everything you're doing.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.